Despite being Yoruba and being from that background, from a Yoruba background, most of the stories, the history, the culture is hidden because of colonialism, because of Christianity, because of the hold it has over the Nigerian people. So to come all the way to Germany to connect to that part is something that I really appreciate, because it's a reminder that this culture still exists. People still practice these things, these rituals, and they're kept alive. And that's really beautiful to be a part of.
I was at some point like feeling a bit tired because of the physicality involved, but at the same time it's like now having fun throughout. It's just like, oh, is it tomorrow? No, it's after tomorrow. Okay, energized and very motivated. Yeah.
What is really beautiful about this project is you're not stuck to one particular role. At some moment, the musicians, the drummer is going to sing, the dancer is going to sing, the drummer will dance, and they all came out of their shells, and I think they really enjoyed it. They were coming there fully, and we wanted to get to know them as they are.